What's up everybody and welcome back to the show. It's your boy Let's Money. In today's video we jump back into VRA. But before we get into the video guys, make sure you have run up the numbers, smash that subscribe button. We have got 1 month until the Bitcoin halving. We need to make every single day count. So I'm going to be making sure that I give you the top VRA updates leading up to the halving and into the bull run. Don't miss any updates. Let's get into the video. You already know what time it is. Bow! 41 days until the Bitcoin halving. 89 on the fear and greed index. Extreme greed. Bitcoin did a Mazzolini today, guys. We went to 69.9. How much was it exactly? I think it was like 69,990 or something. Just below 70k, and we had a harsh rejection from that level, guys. Now, I said to a lot of the members that we can't be expecting Bitcoin to just break the all-time high at the first touch, even at the second touch, and you can see that that is in line with what happened today, guys. Now with low battery, we're gonna die. Now with this rejection, it did bring a lot of the altcoins crashing down with it, and you do need to be prepared for altcoins to be seeing red days very soon, and especially after the halving. I'm expecting a sell the news type event. Will it happen with all of the ETFs buying Bitcoin day in, day out, new all-time high records for the amount of coins being bought? You know, it may not have a crash post-halving like a lot of us are expecting, but we have to be prepared for either outcome. I'm prepared for it to absolutely pop off. I'm prepared for it to crash. That's why we always have 30% to the side. Now, where is VRA for today? VRA, guys, is sitting at 1.3 cents. We're down 5% for the day, and it doesn't matter to us because we're still up over 100% from our channel entries, and from the Patreon entries we're still up over 200%, guys. So we're going to look into the trading view at the end, and we're going to find out what we're expecting for VRA in the coming days and weeks. But before we get into that, what's been going on in the world of VRA? Now, before we continue, here's a quick word from our sponsor, Cryptonomy. Now, as we covered in previous videos, guys, they offer flexible and fixed staking. Obviously, flexible is going to get you a lower return than if you were to set your crypto on a fixed staking. With the fixed, you can earn up to 105%, and Cryptonomy do have one of the highest APYs available at the moment, guys. So if you are looking to stake your crypto, then Cryptonomy may be the way forward. Now you can see here, guys, in the wallet we've got quite a lot of XRP here. We've got ICP, we've got VRA down the list as well. Now, not only that, they do offer loans as well as the exchange. Now you can borrow stable coins at 27 to 34.6% per annum. You can borrow fiat, but you can also borrow crypto with a higher percentage loan, guys. Now, guys, the fixed term is going to be a way more profitable return on investment than the flexible term. For the sake of this video, I will show you guys how the fixed will work. I can actually deposit some Jasmy here, 172% APY. If I wanted to do the max, but you know, I won't do the max, I'll do half of this. Let's just do 7,500 Jasmy. You've got a bunch of different interest rates here as well. So I could do a 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to do a 12-month fixed term. Click that, click continue, read terms and conditions. Make sure all of you guys read the terms and conditions. And the interest rate is going to be 86.25% for Jasmy. So I'm going to click that, click create, request sent. And once this pending status has been approved, then you'll be accruing your interest. Once you have click stake and you've chosen your staking option, then that's it. You're good to go. You're going to be getting drip fed all of your profits into your account each month. And that is another way, if you guys want to be making the most out of your crypto bag and making it work for you, then you can just be pulling that profit out each month and leaving the initial investment in there, staking and churning out more crypto for you guys. Now, Cryptonomy have a brand new flagship product, guys, and that is going to be the launch pool. So let's go and take you guys over to the launch pool. Now you can see here at the top, you've got the current launch pool statistics. You've got the number of events here, 195, total raised funds, nearly $100 million total raised funds. And they even break it down into project categories. So you've got GameFi, DeFi, blockchain services, exchanges other as well, and the current average return on investment is a 14x. Now, for the sake of this, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a contract in the new launch pool. So all you do is very simple. You just click here, create contract. I want to use my XRP today, so we can go here and we can click XRP. We're going to choose the bronze plan here, guys. So the expected profit is going to be up to 5x. Minimum daily income is 0.5%. Splitting enabled. Profit sharing 50-50. And the contract end date is March 2025. And obviously you've got different launch pools and tiers here which are going to get you higher return. 18,000 XRP. My expected profit is between 1 and 5x. The minimum daily income, I'm getting 0.5%, which is what you guys get from your banks every single year. And then the contract end date is going to be 8th of March with a 50% profit. And then I'm going to click read and agree, create, and then we've sent that request here as well, guys. So once we do get into the new launch pool, guys, then the positions will appear here. And in a future video, guys, you can check out how we are doing with the new launch pool. How much is our XRP going to be worth in the next Cryptonomy video? We'll find out. But yeah, I definitely urge all of you guys to go and check out Cryptonomy. They are great. The customer support is great. They're always there to answer your questions as well. So unlike a lot of these exchanges who just go down and then they go off the face of the earth and you think, oh my God, is my crypto safe? Cryptonomy has 24/7 customer support there as well, guys. So you don't need to worry about any of your crypto being stuck there with no one to answer to. Make sure you check out all the links in the description to make sure you are getting the most out of Cryptonomy. Go and stake some crypto to make sure that you are maximizing your potential over this next year of the bull run, guys. We need to be making as much money as we can. Go and check out Cryptonomy. Let's get back to the video. Wondering where to get started with VRA? We've compiled a list of the top 10 major cryptocurrency exchanges where VRA, the native token of Verasity ecosystem, is currently traded. And a lot of you guys, you're in US and you're thinking, oh God, these exchanges are not available to me for so many coins. VRA got you covered. You got them on KuCoin, CMC rank number 8, OKX number 4, Gate.io number 7, Bybit number 3, MEXC, BitHub, HTX, Crypto.com, BingX, Bitfinex. Guys, again, you know, you can do the VPN job for a lot of these exchanges, but I know a lot of them are available to US citizens as well, which is a big difference from a lot of the low cap coins that I do cover on the channel and on the Patreon. A lot of them, they're not on every exchange yet, but VRA, we're on a lot of the big exchanges and we are waiting for one big exchange listing. What is that going to be? And that's the Binance listing. Now, the Binance listing of any new coin, if you haven't been here for longer than 1 or 2 bull runs, then guys, the Binance listings, they just moon coins. Okay, as soon as it gets on Binance, the volume, it's got the #1 volume in the entire crypto space, right? So you can imagine that if there's a top coin like VRA and it becomes available to a lot more users in the world, then it can actually start to enhance the pump. Now, VRA is on the top 10 tweeted list. Just imagine what we are about to witness, something, and that's on altstudy.com. Now, we are always on these lists, which is fantastic. The VRA community, you guys are goated. Go and drop goated in the comments if you think VRA is a goated community, but we are number 3 for the top tweeted over the past 24 hours. Only Fet AI and Injective are above us, and you already know that the AI narratives are pumping. Even Solana, who's at $150 today, is not above us in the top tweeted coins. Looks like you guys are doing something right. And now if you look at the weekly chart for VRA, it looks good. Think we should get another burn as well, which should take supply below 10 billion. Hopefully we get the POV migration completed by Q2. 2 cents could come quicker than most expected. And now I'm not putting too much pressure on the roadmap and when the migration's going to happen, or even the burn, guys, okay? But just know that when these things do start to come into play, you want to be in before rather than out, because once we have broken out and you're getting all this bullish news, then everyone's going to be playing catch up while we had our seat well prepared. And now before we get into the trading view, guys, I want to show you this, because look at that. Floki 76%, Pepe 30%. What is that, Whiff as well? Is that Whiff, the new meme coin? 32%. Bonk, 17%, right? So it can be hard to be buying coins that are at good entries in the midst of everything that's going on here, right? You want to be buying in these green coins, and you want to be, you're looking at Floki saying it's 76% up. Oh my god, I should get in now. Guys, there are so many coins at amazing positions that you need to be taking a seat on before they blow. And let me give you an example. Now, this is one that we got into before the pump, guys. We didn't want to be doing catch up. We didn't want to be doing chasey time. We wanted to be taking a seat with TokenFi, which is another AI narrative coin, way before it had its price discovery. So we took a seat down here. All of the members club, we are up 200% at least, guys. And that's why you take a seat on the boat before it does take off. And if you want to see on so many new coins that I have in the private members club, then you guys need to come and check this out. You've got access to so many different portfolios as well as trades, and a lot of our trades and portfolios, we're up 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, even 1000% on some positions. So don't waste any more time, guys. Go and check out the members club. And now you've done that, let me take you to the VRA chart, guys. We were in a 388-day consolidation. Holy crap. Now, the longer the consolidations, the bigger the breakouts. This is the weekly chart you're looking at. Now, Bitcoin having these big fat scam wicks is gonna have an effect on altcoins, like I said, and you can see it in the VRA chart. Now, this is why you got to be careful with margin, guys. If you're here trying to do degen margin trades every single day thinking you're going to become rich that way, do not do it, guys. There are so many more opportunities to be getting spot wins that's going to get you like 10x. With VRA, we're going to be getting a 10x with VRA. If you got the entry here, and again, talk about accuracy, because that was the final entry I gave the Patreons, right? We hit it knob on right here, okay? If you're getting these entries, you can be making generational wealth from spot, and you don't need to be trying to play catch up with alts. You can see that we haven't even really challenged the all-time high for VRA yet. So yes, we are still early, and we are trying to find some support on this breakout. I said to you guys in the last video, if we can hold the 1.116 cents here, then we could be having a next leg up for VRA. And we're looking between 1.8 cents all the way up to that 6 cents here at the retest of the all-timer high. And above that, we've got the don't be greedy zone. Now, I know a lot of you guys, you watch all the VRA videos and you're thinking this guy is just repeating himself, but we haven't got much time. I mean, once we do start to break this 1.8 cents, guys, it's game over. And all of you guys are going to be messaging me saying, should I buy VRA at 2 cents? No, because the 10x that we're getting to 6 cents is now a 300% move from this level of resistance to the all-time high. And that is the power of being early. Now, if Bitcoin decides it wants to poo its pants, we may have a retouch of this wick here, guys. We may start to slowly come down in this channel, retouch, and then we go again. So you guys have to be mentally prepared for the fact that we could be going to 1 cent or 0.0088 cents again before we do have another move. And this could be quite painful, because it would mean we're going all the way down until the end of March. Everyone's thinking VRA is draining our gains, and then we break out for the next leg. Remember, consolidations are all part of the cycle, guys, and you have to be patient. Yes, I say it all the time, but you have to be patient, guys. But that's it. It's a quick one on VRA today, guys. We need to be patient. We need to be anticipating a move lower for VRA before the next leg up. Not everything just goes up in straight lines, and that is okay with me. It should be okay with all of you guys. Now, again, if you got this far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Come and check out the private community, and I'm going to see you in the next one, guys. Peace.